the Wraith MP Fiber. Mr. 20 is not just a drone, it's a pioneering marvel in the field of cargo transportation. Developed by Wraith, an innovative Indian aerospace startup, this cargo drone is designed to operate both on land and water, making it exceptionally versatile. Its amphibious capabilities allow it to deliver goods in areas that traditional vehicles cannot reach, such as remote islands or flood-stricken regions. The design of the MR20 is a testament to modern engineering. It combines the robustness required for heavy lifting with the precision needed for delicate maneuvers. This drone is constructed to carry substantial payloads while ensuring stability and efficiency across various terrains. The sleek aerodynamic body reduces drag and enhances speed, making it both fast and fuel efficient. The MR20 is not merely about transportation, it's about intelligent, adaptable, and sustainable solutions that address the specific needs of the Indian landscape. Its introduction into the market is poised to revolutionize how goods are transported across the country, particularly in challenging terrains and urgent situations, such as during natural disasters or medical emergencies. The Wraith Fiber Mr. 20 is engineered to meet the high demands of cargo transport. With a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms, it can transport everything from medical supplies to electronic equipment efficiently. This capacity makes it an invaluable asset in both commercial and emergency response scenarios, where quick and reliable transportation of goods is crucial. In terms of performance, the MR20 impresses with a maximum flight time of approximately 4 hours and a range of up to 250 kilometers on a single charge. This endurance and range capability ensures that the drone can cover vast distances without the need for frequent recharging, which is vital for operations in areas with limited infrastructure. Furthermore, the MR20's operational efficiency is enhanced by its ability to reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. This speed, combined with its considerable range and payload capacity, positions the MR20 as a front-runner in the logistics sector, particularly in expansive countries like India, where timely delivery is often challenged by geographical barriers. The MR20 is equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems that include GPS and GLONASS for precise location tracking. These systems ensure that the drone can navigate complex routes with high accuracy, which is crucial for reaching remote or difficult-to-access areas. Moreover, the integration of these advanced satellite systems minimizes the risk of deviations and enhances route efficiency. Control systems of the MR20 are equally advanced, featuring autonomous flight capabilities with manual override options. These systems allow for seamless operation in diverse conditions, adapting to various environmental challenges, such as inclement weather or unexpected obstacles. The drone can also be programmed for specific flight paths and schedules, enhancing its reliability and predictability. Communication protocols in the MR20 are robust, supporting real-time data transmission back to the control center. This feature ensures that operators are always aware of the drone's status and location, facilitating immediate responses to any operational challenges. Additionally, these protocols maintain a constant link between the drone and its control base, crucial for managing and coordinating large fleets of drones. The MR20 offers extensive customization options to suit various industry needs. From modular payload compartments that can be adjusted based on the cargo's nature and size, to specialized attachments for specific tasks, the drone is designed to be as flexible as possible. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from transporting perishable goods with required temperature conditions to carrying oversized items. Safety is a paramount concern in the design of the MR20. It incorporates multiple fail-safe mechanisms and redundancy systems to ensure it remains operational even if one system fails. Features like automatic return to home on loss of communication and emergency landing capabilities significantly mitigate the risks associated with unmanned flights. Additionally, the MR20 is equipped with advanced sensors and collision avoidance systems. These systems constantly scan the environment to detect and avoid obstacles. ensuring safe navigation through crowded or complex airspaces. This focus on safety not only protects the drone and its cargo, but also ensures the safety of other airspace users. The development of the RAFE M-Fiber Mr. 20 is a source of national pride for India. It showcases the country's growing prowess in the field of advanced technology and innovation, positioning India as a leader in the global aerospace industry. The MR20 not only meets but exceeds current aviation standards, demonstrating India's commitment to quality and excellence. Compliance with Indian aviation regulations is strictly adhered to in the design and operation of the MR20. These regulations ensure that all safety, efficiency, and operational standards are met, making the MR20 a reliable choice for businesses and government agencies alike. The drone's adherence to these strict standards reassures potential users of its safety and efficacy. In conclusion, the RAFE M-Fiber Mr. 20 is more than just a cargo drone. It is a symbol of technological advancement and national achievement. Its impact on industries like healthcare and disaster relief is profound, proving that in the realm of innovation and utility, the sky is indeed the limit.